Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download United Airlines app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To download United Airlines app for the iOS users, what you need to do is head over and open up your app store and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the search bar and type in United Airlines app. Now once it loads, simply tap on the United Airlines app. All you gotta do is tap on the app and open it, and here you'll get the option that says Get. Simply tap on that, and once you do that, follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password to start the download. Once the download is complete, you can open up the app directly from the App Store and then simply start using the United Airlines app. Now for Android users, what you need to do is simply open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. In the search bar, type in United Airlines and press search. Look for the official United Airlines app in the search results. Tap on the app and tap on the install button. Wait for the app to download and install. After installation, you can open the app directly from the Play Store or find it in your app drawer. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.